Alright, show my little 22 stash. 500 bricks right there. 3 to 100 packs of the Remington. 4 packs of the Federal Auto Match 325. 2 of the Big Mags. Winchester 100. 3 boxes of the Quiet for the pistol. Standard Velocity. Federal Game Shock. Federal Premium HP Match. Some more of the Remington Gold Bullets. That's pretty much it. Let's see what we got here. So looking at about 650, 650. It's 1300. Plus another 1000, 2300. 300 right here, 26. Another 300, 29. 3000, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 3500 box, numerous magazines loaded with it, so around about 4,000 right now. Just started out 2 weeks ago, so yep. Sorry about the light. Bad lighting.